So the tent comes in a box like this. It's roughly 8 1/8 of an inch by 6 inches by 36.5 inches. Let's open it up, put it together, and check it out. The interior is made of a waterproof diamond mylar. It's 96% reflective, which means your plants are going to get a lot of light from all directions. And the exterior is made of a light-proof Oxford cloth. And you'll see that the cloth has a double stitching to further prevent light from leaking in. There's multiple options for venting that include meshing on this tent right here, so you have lots of ways to set it up. On the bottom, you have a removable waterproof floor tray, so that's really handy. It also comes with these nylon belts for hanging things and an instruction manual. And out of the box, the plastic connectors feel quite sturdy. They're supported by these 16mm metal rods. The bars feel nice and strong. With 4 of these plastic connectors, we'll connect them with 2 number 2 rods and 2 larger number 1 rods. Insert the rod into the connector and then do the same thing on the other side. And repeat that process. Now we'll set them down and connect those 2 pieces using the longer rods and inserting those into the connectors. Make sure you give them a nice squeeze at the end to make sure that they're nice and solid in there. And then we'll end up with a base that looks like this. We can repeat the process to make the roof. Now we'll set those to the side and we'll go about connecting bars 3 to bars 4. And we connect bar 3 to bar 4 by simply dropping 3 into 4 like this. Now they do come back apart easily enough, but they will stay together once the tent is fully equipped. So we'll do this 4 times and then drop bar 4 into the plastic connectors of the base that we've already made. Once all 4 bars are connected, we can then install the roof piece by placing the connectors down on top of bar 3. Now you can finish the skeleton by installing bars 5 and 6. Place the small one on first, then the larger one. First you need to unwrap it, then unfold it. And when unfolded, it kind of makes a giant T shape, and the 2 arms of the T, you'll see that one of them has an exhaust vent that goes on top, and the arm without it will go on bottom. Place the arm with the vent on top until it's snug with the plastic corners. Do the same thing for the bottom, making sure the corners of the cloth fit with the connectors. Then zip up from the back and all the way around to the front. And then bring the zippers together. On the inside, you can simply strap the waterproof liner to the skeleton. You can see that when it's all put together and I'm pulling down on the crossbars right here, it's really sturdy. It can definitely hold up a lot of weight. You know, it has a little wobble when I give it a shake like this, but you can see it's definitely not top heavy, and I would say overall, it's really well balanced. It also has these high quality zippers that zip up really easily. Now, how well does this actually black things out? It's got a nice thick material that's a lot better than what I thought it would be. There's no way it's letting light through. And behind the zippers, you can see they have a backer that prevents light from leaking through there. And lastly, the vent covers all have tie-offs and Velcro to help keep light out. Now you have vents along the top cover, along the tops of the sides, and smaller ones along the top of the back and the bottom of the back. And the vent holes look to be about 7 inches, with the smaller ones being about 3 inches wide. And after it's all put together, it definitely holds true to its size at 36 inches by 20 inches by about 63 inches. Now, depending on the size of your pails, you could theoretically fit probably 3 5-gallon buckets inside of this tent. So I'd say that this tent is going to be good for anybody who needs to, say, like overwinter a tropical plant, or if you want to grow some indoor vegetables or fruits, herbs, and spices year round.